So long story short, Max invited me over to his house to help get this little tiny baby bird out of his windowsill because it could not get out. Enjoy.
Straight up, so.
What's it doing, bro? Oh,
Try to get him.
no, bro. You have to defend it. It started making noise. I think he thought this was his mother's mouth or something. Ah, what are you doing?
Try to get it again.
No, bro, I can't. I'm too scared, bro. It keeps. Oh, it's flapping its wings.
It can't get up though.
There's no way, dude.
It can only fly so far.
Come on, try. Go off that stick.
Trust me, I've been saying that all morning.
It's hard, dude. It's almost like you need to just go down there and grab it.
What?
You need to just go down there and grab it. Call up Jack. Call up my cousin, bro. He'll grab it. I literally need a net, dude. If I had a net.
Check in there.
I'm trying to look for a net because that's what we need.
This is
Right, Max? All you got are rakes, shovels, stupid stuff.
Fuck you. This is very sentimental.
How does one get a bird out of Max's windowsill? Guys, we just thought of a great idea. So we don't have a net, so we're gonna use the pooper scooper. We're gonna clip it onto this hat and just pick it up and throw it on the lawn because there's the parent birds are staring at us and we're scared.
Boys and girls.
Here's Max's puppy and bigger. Oh, whoa, bigger puppy. Ain't that right? So we got our gun to back off the parent birds because they're crazy. There's the pooper scooper. Baby bird is down there.
I'll throw the hat.
Right here. Can't see it. Where's the parent birds at?
I don't know.
Oh,
They're
there's
right
one.
there.
There's
No,
one.
That's a pigeon.
That's a pigeon.
We're good. Unless that's a
Oh,
fawn.
are they up there in the sky? I don't know. They're trying to poop on us. Dude, look out!
Here, perfect. I connected it very last snap. Oh, dude. Fuck, man, this is so scary.
Oh my god, this actually might work. This actually might work.
It didn't work. Long story short, it did not work whatsoever. But enjoy Max's weird movements as he's trying to protect me.
Alright, this isn't quite good enough. We gotta think of something else, dude.
Hold on. Hey,
It's
hey,
not
hey.
working.
Hey, Avery. Actually, I got a good idea.
What?
Put the brim down a little more.
What do you mean?
No birds were harmed. Oh.
We're wasting time. We're wasting time. We gotta use this red basket full of weights. I'm gonna scoop down there, pick it up, and then we're gonna do a Fortnite dance. While you're defending me.
Dessert.
Yo, if you guys are wondering why we don't just go down there and pick it up, it's because we're pussies. And
Yes,
the
sir.
parent birds are gonna attack us. There's like literally a clan of birds. They're ready to attack us. All right. We're just, hopefully, okay, there is a root down there and it's so hard. I gotta get down and dirty, dude. I'm gonna get my pants all dirty, but I gotta do this for a bird. Here we go. All right. No, don't go by the roots. Dude, come on. Oh no, he's not gonna move. All right, I gotta wait for him to reposition.
Can I spray a little on him?
Yeah, spray like it. Yeah, right there. Yeah, spray in this back left corner. Oh, hold up. Oh no, it's in this corner now. Alright, here we go, No! Get back, Avery. Alright. We'll get a good grip on this back one. No, you fudge! There you go, Max. There you go. Oh, I got no! Did you see it? Did you see it? I had it.
Okay, keep going, keep going.
Alright, come on. Come back over here. Right here, man. Right here. Come on. This is it. Let's go. Oh my gosh, my camera's all wet, dude. No. There we go. Where'd it go? Oh my gosh, you did it, bro. Is it over here? I don't know where it went. I couldn't see anything. Okay, it's right there. Okay, dude, we did it. Let's go. Yo. Teamwork.
Makes the dream work, baby.
Oh my gosh, bro. Now those birds need to just make a sound and then we're good. Those birds were eyeing us the whole time.
What?
I hope they know that the bird's over here. Should I like go over by it and make it get some noise? Or do you want to spray it maybe? I don't know. Nah, it's all good. I don't want to hurt it. You know, just kind of go by it, just kind of scare it, make some noise. Hey, come on now. Come on, bird.
Is it back there?
What should we name it?
Cletus.
Cletus?
Yeah.
Alright, Cletus the fetus. It's not moving, bro. Alright, I think we should just leave it alone. I think we got it from here.
Is he like standing up?
Yeah, he's just kind of frozen. I don't know what those. Oh, did I just step in poop? Oh no, I literally just stepped in poop. Good thing your grass is all wet. Oh, he's going underneath there. There you go. Maybe he went underneath the fence. That's good. Please tell me they see him, bro. Come on.
They're probably not gonna take it back.
No, they better. I don't know what they're doing, bro. I don't talk bird.
I think they're saying these little white boys.
Yo, honestly.
They
Literally.
took our son.
They probably.
Daughter.
Yeah. All right. I think we're good here, bro.
All right.
Holy cow, that was an adventure, dude.
Dance break. Today, Avery and Max are now billionaires living in LA because they saved this bird. They bought Microsoft and are now the richest teenagers in the world. The bird that they saved is now in the Henry Dooley Zoo in Omaha, Nebraska, where guests can visit it. Just kidding.